Understanding Gift Hamper, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, gift hamper. This phrase is not just about gifts, but it's a window into understanding cultural aspects in English-speaking countries. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of gift hamper, and see why it's more than just two words put together. A gift hamper typically refers to a basket filled with a variety of items, often curated around a theme or occasion. It's not just any gift, but a collection that showcases thoughtfulness and personalization. Hailing from a tradition of giving and community, gift hampers often contain food items, drinks, or other goods, making them popular for celebrations and as thoughtful gifts. Gift hampers are more than just presents. They reflect a culture of giving and sharing. In English-speaking countries, they're commonly given during holidays like Christmas, or for special events like weddings or birthdays. Understanding this phrase gives insight into these cultural practices and the importance of showing care through curated selections of items. When talking about gift hampers, you can use it in various contexts. For example, I received a lovely gift hamper for my birthday, or we're planning to send a gift hamper to our clients for the holidays. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both personal and professional contexts. Making your own gift hamper can be a fun and personal way to give a gift. Start by choosing a theme, like gourmet foods, self-care, or hobbies. Then, select items that fit within this theme. Remember, it's the thought and care put into the selection that truly makes a gift hamper special. I hope this video has shed light on the charming and thoughtful world of gift hampers. Whether you're giving or receiving one, remember it's more than just a gift. It's a gesture of kindness and thoughtfulness. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.